Hello everyone, I'm Gyan Banjan and in this video we'll be making an AI assistant. So I'll be calling my AI assistant as Jarvis since I'm a huge Iron Man fan. You can call it whatever you want, but I really hope you are an Iron Man fan. So I use PyCharm to edit my Python code. So the code's already written. PyTTSX3 is the main package we need over here for having an AI assistant. Then these four things are the rest of what what Jarvis does for us. So Jarvis does four things. One, it plays anything we want in YouTube. Two, it tells you the date and time. I mean, it tells you the time, the current time. Third is it tells you a little bit information of anyone on Earth who is on Wikipedia. Fourth, it tells you jokes. I mean, they're kind of nerdy jokes which usually developers understand. So the first thing we do is we build the engine for it. We define it. Engine is it's as I said, it's the unit of PyTTSX3. We use voices of the engine get property, and we use voices zero. Zero is the male voice, and one is the female voice. Jarvis in Iron Man in the Avengers and all that had the male voice. In the Marvel Cinematic Universe, Jarvis had the male voice. So I'll be using a male voice over here. So talk, we define what talk is, which is that engine.say and engine.run and wait. These are all Python inbuilt properties which are a part of PyTTSX3. So yeah, even Google Voice, we'll be using the recognize underscore Google Voice for listening to the voice the user gives. So yeah, even Google Voice comes from PyTTSX3. So in case in case Java when Jarvis is ready to listen to whatever you're going to say, it's literally going to say listening. It won't say it. I mean, you can make it say it. Just change print to say. But we rather prefer just a written command over there which says print listening, and then we go down finish. Fin literally means finish. I mean, if you're done, it goes with finish. And now we go run and finish the part where actually are where we tell Jarvis what to do. So if we say play, it means that it's going to just use the words we told into the YouTube search bar on its own. We don't have to do anything. So let's say if I say play Jimmy Fallon, it's going to play a Jimmy Fallon video, the latest one. If you say time, I mean, it's better if I show you right now. Let's say we play a Jimmy Fallon video. We just press play. Play Jimmy Fallon.
Please come again.
Play Jimmy Fallon.
Playing Jimmy Fallon.
So we'll need to stop the code, and then when we go to Google, we'll see that.
If you invest in crypto, NFTs, and Web 3.0, this tool is a total game changer.
So you'll see that we got a Jimmy Fallon video, the latest one which is posted. I haven't seen it, but yeah, I'll see it later. So the next thing we have is time. So if we just say time, we're going to find Jarvis is going to tell us the time, the current time. So let's do it. Time. Okay, screw. We had an error. It's fine, no problem. Let's rerun it. Time.
Current time is 01:40 p.m.
Exactly. So we got the time over there. And another thing is that we have it as a loop. So you'll have to stop the program whenever you want to, give another command. Or if you don't want to give a command, you have to stop it. Because if you don't stop it, then Jarvis is simply going to listen to whatever you're saying and it's going to give, errors to you. So the next thing we have is who is, which basically is the information of any person you want. So I'm a huge fan of Abdul Kalam. Let's go and search who Abdul Kalam is. Who is Abdul Kalam?
Abul Pakir Jani Labdin Abdul Kalam. Listen, October 15, 1931 to July 27, 2015, was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007.
So that's how we got the information of a person on Wikipedia, said by Jarvis. And then the last one is the Python joke. So we just have to say I am bored to Jarvis. Actually, you can specify whatever you want, but I just put the shortest things and the easiest ones, which I could understand as a human itself. So let's say I am bored now. I am bored.
Why did the QA cross the road? To ruin everyone's day.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's again a programmer joke. If you see again, write it up. Yeah, some shit, yeah. And so, in case it does not understand any of it, as you've seen, when I said Jimmy Fallon, it didn't understand what I said. So, if it does not, we just use else and we say, please come again. Jarvis is going to say, please come again, if it does not understand what you say. So that's what the code is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this. Goodbye.